What's up everybody, this is Rockin Chris at Phoenix Triumph. I just wanted to go over this Street Twin Ace Handlebar Kit, part number A2043219. Basically what this is going to do for you, it's going to take your standard Street Twin handlebar setup down to a more of a cafe racer style handlebar. So you have a little lower riding position, a little more forward riding position. As you can see, this kit includes new risers, the outer bars, and the inner bar section. Since this is a genuine Triumph accessory, it is compatible with the OEM heated grips, as well as the OEM bar end mirrors and any other OEM Triumph handlebar accessory that you may have on your bike. It also includes a bag of hardware to help you with the installation. You can visit triumphinstructions.com, plug in that part number, and they should give you a step-by-step instructions on how to install it. If you have any questions about this specific handlebar kit, or you'd like to see me showcase any of the other accessories that Triumph has to offer, just let me know in the comments section below. Make sure to like and subscribe to keep up with all the other videos we have coming out. Y'all have a good one. I'll talk to you later.